Hello viewers and my dear students, welcome to session 7 on projection of plane surfaces demo. In this, we'll take up a demo on hexagonal lamina using solid edge. See here, now we'll take up on hexagonal lamina of size 25 has an edge on HP and rotated about this edge till the surface of the lamina is inclined at 60 degrees to HP and edge on HP is inclined at 30 degrees to VP and all that, the drop projections. See here, I've told you in different sessions, okay, this is actually the problem 13 in my sessions. Same problem, I'm doing it using solid edge. Okay, hexagonal lamina of size 25 has an edge on HP. That is why you start from the top view edge position. I've told you hexagonal lamina has edge position separate, corner position is separate, like square lamina. Square lamina also edge position is different, corner position is different. Okay, but triangular lamina and pentagonal lamina, edge and corner positions are the same. So that in the second stage print view, corner can be made on HP or edge can be made on HP. But in square lamina and hexagonal lamina, such things cannot be made. Okay, hexagonal lamina edge on HP means it's a separate position. Hexagonal lamina corner on HP means separate position. If it is edge on HP, you have to start from the top view only. Now we'll first write the hexagonal lamina 25 mm side in edge position. Okay, we'll start from the top view because it is edge on HP. Okay. Now, as usual, you start with XY line. X, Y, VP, HP. In that way, you do all this. XY, this is VP, this is HP. Okay, this you do, and anyway, this you don't have to darken it because it's an imaginary separation between front view and top view. Okay, that is why here you see the front view, here we see the top view. Direction of vision for front view is perpendicular to VP. Direction of vision for top view is perpendicular to HP. These things you know already. Now I have to draw one hexagon of sides 25. Hexagon of sides 25. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll little bit zoom it. See here, I'll draw an hexagon of sides 25. See here, first you draw 125. 25 side, length 25 and angle minus 90. You draw this first. Okay. Now this is hexagonal lamina, no? Internal angle 125. Sorry, 120. When it is 120, from here it is 0. If you can see that. Here you can see 0. Okay, for this position 0. Now you should give minus 30. This is 25 minus 30 will give you this. Okay. In the same way, if you take this 25 plus 30 is this one. See here, I use the indicator also. 25 plus 30 is that. Okay, you click on this. Then carefully try to use the indicator. That is alignment indicator. Now you see again 25 minus 30 is there. Immediately click here. Then carefully come for the alignment here. It is 25 minus 90. That is also you take. Okay. And then you join finally this point and this point. In that way, using alignment indicator also, you looking at this length and angle, you can complete. Otherwise also, you draw this 25. This is 25 plus 30. This is 25 minus 30. Then if you draw from here, it is 25 plus 30. This is 25 minus 30. That way you join. Anything, it's all up to you. You complete the hexagon. Now, as you see, you take, you name the corners. Name the corners. Okay, A, B, this is C, D, E, F. Okay, once you've done it, okay, little bit of I've increased this thing. Okay, now take a projector up. You see here this projector. This you take 0.13 only. Okay, then draw line. Take 0.13 only. From here also take the projector up. From here also take the projector up. Okay. Once you do the projector up, then using line command, 0.5 mm thickness, you draw the front view. Please observe how I complete the front view. Don't darken from from here to here, because you won't get the end of this for writing the top view. Okay, you won't get this point. That is why what I'll do, from here to here I'll darken it. Then from here to here I'll darken it. In that way, if you do this way, okay, it will be better. Okay, now it is you are looking from the front. It is B dash A dash is this point, C dash F dash is this point, D dash E dash is this point. Okay, in that way, again go to the text command, B dash bracket, B dash bracket A dash, then C dash bracket F dash, C dash bracket F dash, then D dash bracket E dash. I think these are all okay. Now carefully transfer the points. It is B dash A dash here. This is C dash F dash here. And D dash E dash here. Okay, carefully arrange. Now I have got the top view, and you know very well it's a side of size 25. This you know 25 and all, it is perfect hexagon and all that, as you can see also. Okay, this is a hexagon what you have drawn, and the corresponding front view also you have drawn. Now you know very well. Okay, now if you pull the D dash E dash up, it will be edge AB on HP. If you pull B dash A dash up, it will be DE on HP. That means this is a pure edge position. Whether you pull B dash A dash up or D dash E dash up, okay, it is edge only on HP. We will take one of these things. Now we'll do this way. We'll first take move command. Okay, and once you take the move, you see that copy is there. Okay, copy is there. Copy I want. And you carefully, okay, move. Copy is there. Select the entire thing, including the lettering. Okay, then copy is there. No, this will be there anyway. You take it to this position, and then put escape. Okay, now this I have moved and copied. Okay, okay, and pasted at some position. Now you go for rotation command, rotation. Okay, rotation. Then what I'll do now, I'll select the entire thing, but don't copy. Now copying is not required. It's only it has to be rotated. Let us say the pivot point is this end, B dash A dash, and moving point is D dash A dash. In that way, you rotate it for the required angle. Required angle, I think it is 60 degrees. 60 degree, you write. Okay. Now this is okay. This is 60 degrees. Now you see here always in projections and all that, the basic concept you should know. you should understand how the objects are placed, whether it's a plane surface or solids, whatever kept in the space in front of VP, above HP, looking at the front view, looking at the front view, looking at the top view, you should be in a position to understand how exactly the solids or the plane surfaces or the lines or whatever it is kept in the space. That is above HP in front of VP, that is first angle projection system. Okay, now you see here, I'll take 0.13, I'll take the projectors here. Now, I'll take the projectors down. I'll take the projectors down. See here, since I've split this into two, you can easily take the projector end point you'll get. Otherwise, you'd not have got. Be careful. Okay. From here also, you take the projectors down. And from here also, take the projectors. From here also, from end. Okay. Don't be in a hurry. Take the projectors. From here also, end point. You take the projectors. From here also, take the projectors. Okay. Now, if it is extra and all that, you can trim it off. Okay. Extra and all that, you can trim it off. Okay. Now, as you aware, here you please observe this. You should make it clear. That means here you have a point. See here, if it is not sensing, no, you better zoom it. The zoom will help you in so many possible ways. Okay. See here, at one point, you get the intersection. Okay. In that way, when you zoom it more, you are getting the intersection. At that point, you have to make a dot. Okay. In that way, I'll just do this. You see here, you make a point and all that. This point, as you know, see here, I'll zoom this. I'll zoom this. Here, this point, as you know, it is A, this is B, this is C. On this you should get D, on this you should get E, on this you should get F. Okay, in that way, what I'll do now, I'll take line, okay, I'll take line, I'll take 0.5 and I'll have to, see, be careful, you have to search for this intersection only as far as possible, okay. You should get the intersection, more the zoom, you will get it. Okay, intersection, end point, end point, end point, intersection, this point. This you, if you do. Now, once you do this, okay, it is, you take this A, B, C, D, E, F. In that way, I'll just fit this. I'll put the play, that is the corners here. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, this is F. Okay, now you should know at this stage, the edge on HP, it is edge on HP, surface inclined at 60 degrees to HP. When you are looking from the top, this is how it appears in the top view. That means, hexagonal lamina has an edge on HP and it is inclined at 60 degrees to HP. That you know from the front view. But in the top view, it is appearing like this. Except for A and DE, or it has all other lengths, since it is inclined to HP, it has lost true length. AB and DE only are in true length, and EF, FA, BC and CD all have lost true length. Now we have come to the end of session 7. We'll continue this in session 8. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks friends. Thank you.